everyone, today I'm going to talk about ocean pollutions. The marine environment is a key interrelated and a complementary element crucial for the existence of the biodiversity, ecosystem, and human life on the planet. Ocean covers 70% of the Earth, produces 50% of the oxygen, and provides 99% of available habitable space. However, it is evident that human activities have significantly increased the level of pollution in the oceans over the years. One of the most severe factors is plastic waste. A large number of marine species is known to be harmed or killed by plastic waste, which could jeopardize their survival. The waste causes entanglement, choking, strangulation, malnutrition, and death. It affects at least 267 species worldwide, including 86% of all sea turtle species, 44% of all seabird species, and 43% of all marine mammal species. The problem of plastic waste first appeared in the 1950s, when massive production of plastic began, with about 1.5 million tons per year being produced. Because it has quickly entered into everyday use, plastic production is steadily increasing and has now reached 300 million tons per year. Rivers, sea level changes, floods, and winds are the main reason for bringing waste from land into the sea. Other waste is the result from fishing activities, shipping, and marine facilities. Data from 2010 shows that about 12.7 million tons of plastic waste has been released into the world seas and oceans. Although the best solution to this issue would be to completely ban plastic, there might be a potential conflict embedded. On one hand, many organizations and individuals rely on using plastic because it is a highly practical material, being flexible, lightweight, and easy to handle. It is also very cheap. For example, hospitals could not currently get by without plastic products, such as heart valves and catheters, and banning it would have a devastating effect on low-income families, especially in the third world. On the other hand, scientists and researchers are concerned for ecosystem collapse. They estimate that by 2025, there would be nearly 250 million tons of plastic in the oceans, and by 2050, there will be more plastic than fish. In order to solve the issue of marine pollution and meanwhile reconcile the conflict, some scientists and researchers think outside of the box and develop new technology to achieve sustainability. For example, our Ramesh developed a small mobile reactor which can take waste plastic and convert it directly into diesel. The reactor could be driven around on a trunk to where it's needed. For example, a beach with a serious waste problem, or even carried on the back of a boat to provide fuel for its engines. In addition, because about 50% of plastic is in the form of such products as plastic bags, drinking bottles, cutlery, straws, etc., which are discarded after a single use. Lollyware, Buc-ee's, Herald, who are all replacing plastic cutlery and straws with items made from sugar, cornstarch, and jelly, which are 100% natural with no chemicals and preservatives. They are biodegradable, vegetarian, and even vegan. In conclusion, I believe by using the power of new technology and everyone's contribution, the issue of ocean pollution will be eventually solved.